Welcome to TT's Corner. Today, September 2nd, this will be my election closing arguments for why the people of Jamaica should vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. My fellow Jamaicans, here is some reasons for you to go out and vote in your numbers for JLP. Over 350,000 people have received water. The government is also on track to meet the 70,000 houses that Mr. Holness told you about. The JLP has given you the Spark program, which is repairing and rehabilitating the roads across the country. The government has moved the minimum wages from 6,000 to 16,000, and they are on the cusp of making it 32,000. Okay, so there's a lot of you people are minimum wage earners, and please go ahead and do the right thing. The government is also gonna be helping the rural area children with school buses, and also for the next 2 months it will be free. The murder rate is down 43%. The JLP has implemented domestic violence shelter. They have given you hard program for free to go and learn a skill. And for the past 9 years since the JLP has been in power, there is no wage freeze nor no new taxes. The PNP has claimed that Andrew has 28 bank accounts, he's corrupt, and he's also lie. And I am here to set the record that Mr. Holness has 8 bank accounts. The IC dropped the investigation because they found no crime. And as for lie, people remember that Andrew Holness was the one a couple years ago who told you the truth that there will be bitter medicine. He knew by saying that the people was going to go against him, but he still had to be telling you the truth. And the PNP said otherwise, and you turned on Andrew and voted for them. And what did they do? They throw the bitter medicine down your throat. Andrew was telling you the truth. People, just a little tidbit. Andrew Holness was recruited by Edward George Philip Siaga. He was recruited by Mr. Siaga. And I hope you all know this. Before Mr. Siaga left us, he told Andrew Holness one thing. He's asking him, never, ever forget the poor. Always look out for the poor. And I have noticed that since Prime Minister Holness is in office, he's trying his endeavor best to do what he promised Mr. Siaga, and look out for the poor. I have seen it, that he's doing that. He's keeping his word. So I can say he's a man of his word. And he is trustworthy. So I'm asking the Jamaican people to give him a chance to continue on the good work that he is doing. Please, people, choose Jamaica. Choose the Jamaica Labour Party. Thank you, and God bless you.